Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mamiki Malema, and today I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys the difference between extended degree and the normal degree. Yes, so I'm a final year student at the University of Johannesburg. So I'm currently studying BSc in mathematical science, in computer science and mathematics. Yes, and I'm actually doing an extended degree. Yeah, so now let's talk about the difference between these two programs, right? But here's the disclaimer, guys. Whatever that I'm going to be sharing right now is based on my experience at the University of Johannesburg, right? So whatever that I'm going to be sharing right now, it might not apply in other varsities, and also it might not apply in the UJ, but then in other courses, right? Yes. So now, here's the difference, right? So we have a degree that is 3 years. So I'm going to be making an example with computer science and mathematics, right? So we have a degree of computer science and mathematics that is actually 3 years. And then we have an extended, which is a plus 1 year, which is going to be 4 years. Yes, it's 4 years, right? So in the normal degree, like the first year of the normal degree, right, in the extended degree is divided into 2 years. So whatever modules they do on the first year of the normal degree, on the extended degree is divided into 2 years. Yes, into 2 years, right? And then we have first semester and we have second semester, right? So on the normal degree, the first semester is divided into 3 semesters. On the extended degree, I hope I actually make sense, right? Yeah. So yeah, the first semester of the normal degree is divided into 3 semesters. So when I say 3 semesters, I mean that it's 1 year, 1 semester, right? So which means it's going to be like, on the extended degree, it's going to be like first year and second year, but then first semester. So which means all the modules that are being done on the normal degree for the first semester, in the extended degree, they do those modules for 1 year, 1 semester. Yes, 1 year and a half, right? And then we have those modules that are being done on the normal degree on the second semester. Those ones are not dividable, unfortunately. So on your second year, on the second semester, you just do them exactly like that. You just like they're not like separatable, or should I say dividable. So hence you just do them exactly they are. You do them exactly how those who are doing the normal degree, they do them actually. So yeah. And then also another difference is that there are some modules that I do in the extended degree, but then those who are doing the normal degree, they don't do them. So we actually have a module called computer competence and language for science. So basically, language for science, we do it in our first semester of the first year. So that consists of like doing like things. You just actually learn things like how to summarize, how to paraphrase, what else, how to present, because you'll be doing presentations, and also like projects and research, how to research, yeah, also how to reference, I think. And then we also have another module called computer competence. So what happens there is that they teach you Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And mind you, these 2 modules, those who are doing the normal degree, they don't do them at all. Yeah, they don't do them at all. They don't, you know. So basically that is the oh, and also if you are going to be doing computer science, if you also major in computer science, so just know that computer science, since it's not dividable, also it's either you can do it on your first year, whereby you're going to be doing computer science 1A and computer science 1B, and then on your second year you don't do computer science at all, and then you continue on your third year. Or you can do computer science 1A and 1B on your second year, and then on your first year you don't do it at all. Personally, I didn't do computer science 1A and 1B on my first year. I didn't have that option, so which means on my first year I didn't do anything related to computer science. The only thing I did was maths, applied maths, statistics, computer competence, and language for science. And then I started doing computer science on my second year. Yeah, that is basically the difference between the normal degree and the extended one. And then, yeah, oh, by the way, there's also one thing I wish I knew before applying for extended. Yeah, and also, by the way, so I personally applied for extended. I knew what I was actually getting myself into, but then not completely, right? So I actually applied for extended, but then there are those people who actually applied for the normal one, but then they ended up being on the other program, which is extended. So in that case, which means they actually applied for the normal one, and then the normal one was actually full. Since it was full, they just couldn't reject them. Then they just took them and placed them on the other program, right? Which is the extended. Yeah, so hence why many people will be like, oh, I actually applied for the normal one, but then I just found myself in the extended. I don't know what happened, but actually what happened. So now there's only one thing that I wish I knew before applying for extended, especially if you're going to be using NSFAS Bazar. NSFAS. Oh, NSFAS. So since an extended degree, I get the normal degree is 3 years, right? And then it would be like this is N, and then the extended is +1 year, so which means it's N +1, right? So automatically, if you're doing your 4th year, automatically the N +1 rule is applied, right? So if you're like me, because I did fail, I did fail a module which added another year because it blocked other modules, so which means I had to add another year, which is what's going to be 5 years right now. So what happens is that last year, because I was doing my 4th year, automatically N +1 rule applied, so which means this year no funding. So it is was just in funding, unless if maybe you're like a student with disability, because I think they do N +2 rule, right? Yeah, for those who are with disabilities. But then if you are like me, no disability, my sister, my brother, just know that you won't have funding. You will end up like me right now, doing my final year without funding. I can't even see my marks. Like, it's tough. It's tough. So that is the only thing I wish I knew, especially if you're using NSFAS. I mean, if you're using other bursaries, then I guess you might be lucky and then they fund you and stuff like that. But then with NSFAS, it's over. Once you reach 4 years, on the 5th, just forget about funding. Yeah. So basically, that's all about this video. Just differences between the normal degree and the extended one, and also one thing I wish I knew, which was the funding and stuff like that. But then otherwise, that is the difference. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you.